Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery. I'm so happy you're here today. Let's talk about crochet kits. So you know these kits, they come in a box like this, some kind of picture, a little book, and then something on the back. But this picture is always misleading because it does not show you all 12 patterns that you get inside the book. It shows you some of them, but not all of them. Not to mention, most of these don't show you this many on the back either. You don't know what you're buying. You know you're getting 12 patterns, probably, and that's it. But I hardly ever see anybody actually go through the books in these things. They just talk about their experience and how it was crocheting it. But what about the other patterns in the book? Or if they talk about it, they hold them up for like a second. Well, because it is the holiday season and these make good gifts, I thought I would talk about the patterns that are actually in these. You're welcome, yeah. And we will talk about, you know, what part of the pattern, oh, it looks like they used felt here, stuff like that. We will talk about all the materials that you need that they also usually don't tell you in these kits. Sometimes they come with like little scraps of felt so you can make those 2 projects that they give you the materials for, but then you don't know what you need for the rest of them. And so I am going to do an in-depth look at the actual patterns that come in the books. This one is the Harry Potter Crochet Kit book by Lucy Collin. First one we have is Harry Potter in his little school uniform with his little Gryffindor tie. The materials in this book are worsted weight yarn, black embroidery floss, stuffing, and 3.5mm hook. Next is Hermione Granger, also in her school uniform with her Gryffindor colors. Here is the back of her head if you'd like to see how her hair is made. Looks like they use the wig cap technique. Very common, very, very good. So we have Ron Weasley, both in his wizard robes and just in his school uniform. It also says that to make Ron, you make Harry, but leave off the glasses and change the hair color. That's a good way to do it. That's how I make my Ron tot too. This is how to make student robes and scarves. I wonder if they're going to teach us how to make the broom. I hope so. It's Dobby! I'm going to be honest. I think mine's cuter. But that's just me. Look at little Dobby. He is cute though. But where's his sock? Yay! He's a free elf! Woohoo! That's cute. This is a much better picture of him than the first picture, I think. It's a much better angle. Aww. Rubius Hagrid. Aww. Rest in peace to the great actor. This is really detailed. I wonder if there's a picture where his coat is off so you can see all the details on his vest. Let's look for a picture. Eureka! Look at all the detail. Wow. A lot of thought went into this one. Not that a lot of thought didn't go into all of them. I'm just saying, I just see a lot more detail on this particular figure. So for those who are new to crochet, if you look at his beard and his hair right here, this is a technique that we use. We brush out the yarn, and that's what gives it this bushy effect, which is really nice. It's also great for making animal fur. It's Norbert! Well, that's one I wasn't expecting. He's so cute. He was the little dragon in the egg. Aww. Adorable. Here's another picture of him. Looks like he's about to take flight. I'm wondering if some of these have some wire inside them. If not, I would recommend it so that his wings stay up. Cute. Here we go. Here's Dumbledore version 1. Wasn't his name Richard something? I'll put it on the screen. There's that brushing technique again. Minerva McGonagall, in the movie played by the fabulous Maggie Smith. Loving the green robes and the crooked hat. And it looks like maybe they gave her a necklace? Interesting. I just have to show you. I think this picture is really cute. Look. The sorting hat ceremony. With little Hermione finding out what house she's in. And of course, the next pattern is the sorting hat. You can see his face. What? Okay, he looks far too cheerful. Look at this. He's actually smiling. No. No, 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 no. No. Where's the eyebrows? Where's the frown? No. Although I like the little blush behind the eyes here. That's a cool touch. He's way too happy. Way too happy. And he looks friendly. Nope. In case you guys wanted to see how they did that, they just used some over-the-counter blush and then put the safety eyes on top. It's a cool trick. Aww. R.I.P. Alan Rickman. Severus Snape. He looks good. Okay, see, he has the downward eyebrows. And if facial hair was the issue for the other guy, then just give him, like, you know, eyelids that cover half his safety eye or something. That makes him look displeased, at least. But Snape looks good. It's Ginny! And she looks like she's about 6 years old. She's still really cute. A lot of space up here, though. I mean, they could have made her hair come down a little bit more. Yeah, I'd give her more hair that covers more of her forehead, but that's just me. And she's in her little Quidditch uniform with her broom. Seriously, where do we get to learn how to make the broom? Okay, Ginny's pattern is actually where you learn how to make the broom. So, it is in here. It's with her. And that makes sense. And here's what she looks like in the movie. If you want to see a comparison. See? She has more hair. More hair needs to cover her forehead. Anyway, here's the back of her head, if you want to see her hair. And for the final pattern of this book, we have Hedwig. She's so cute. Pretty. So that's it. That's all the patterns in the book. I will put the Amazon link down below if you would like to get this kit for someone you know for Christmas, or if you would like to ask for this kit for yourself. I would give this a 3 out of 5. Some patterns were really good. Other patterns needed some work. I haven't made anything from here, but I have made stuff by Lucy Collins before, and she is a good designer, so I'm sure everything in here is good. But design-wise, some things could use some work. Now, let's say you would like to make an entirely free version of Harry Potter characters for somebody for Christmas. Well, I have my Potter Tots, which there will be a picture somewhere up here. Everything you see here is a tutorial on my channel. Okay, so what did you think? Is that a kit worth buying? Let me know. Also, the link for Amazon or wherever I find it, Barnes & Noble, will be linked down below. I am not an affiliate as of yet, but I do want to make it easier for you all to find. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, maybe consider subscribing and join our Yarn Zebra family. Don't forget there is a private Facebook group that you can also join, post stuff, see what I'm making before anybody else. Just saying. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Goodbye!